Hello guys, in this great turning course, we are going to make tutorial about Adobe Photoshop. Adobe Photoshop is most powerful and popular editing and compositing, photo editing and compositing software. You can do digital painting, animation and graphic design. That you can do a lot of things to do. Of course, the Photoshop is pixel based. And this app has in mobile and web. You can do a lot of things with Photoshop. The Photoshop has a lots of plugins that increase the power of the Photoshop to do everything for you. So stay tuned with us. We are going to teaching you Photoshop in detail in lots of videos. And thank you for your support. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.